amazing. We're pretty high elevation, so you see a lot of trees and flowers that you don't see down below in our area. Looks like we're the only ones here. Let's go check it out. You down with TTT? Nice cappuccino. There, get your Thai tea. It's okay. So quiet. We are up in the mountains, guys. Don't be mistaken. Incredible area. Wat Khao Chawang. Khao Chawang Temple, guys. Special place, guys. Special place. That is truly amazing, guys. Just incredible. Wow. Isn't that amazing? That's real, guys. That's 100% real. There's no plastic or anything involved. That's a real tree stump. That is incredible, the detail. Wow. If you can't appreciate that, then you just don't have an eye for art. That is incredible. Wow. Amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing. Now this payanak is not wood, it's your standard cement. Wow, but how beautifully done is that? Wow, beautiful, guys. So this one's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 heads. All the payanak statues are different, 9 heads. It's pretty symbolic. Well, I guess there's 10 because there's one down here too. So 10 heads on this one. How many man hours went into carving this thing, guys? Unbelievable. Wow. I can admire the art. Wow. Incredible, guys. Just incredible. Beautiful wood carvings, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Unbelievable. I've never seen so much wood carvings at a temple in Thailand. An actual temple, not the sanctuary of truth, but an actual temple. Guys, I'm just, you can feel the sharpness of the edges of the wood. Unbelievable. Wow. Look at the centerpiece here. Wow. Oh my gosh. So it's a big tree root ball turned upside down and carved out. Wow. That is incredible. never seen so much wood carving before. Everything, baby, even lion wood, huh? Teak wood. The inside, it's all teak wood carvings. Check this out. We got some nice views over here too. Told you guys we're up in the mountains. So that's all wood, baby. Normally they're all cement, you know, with individual cement moldings and, you know, but this all wood. It's incredible. Wow. Nice little view over here. We are up in the mountains, guys. Not much around here, but there is a restaurant not too far. We're gonna go check that out. That's what we do. Nam Yen picks a temple, and then I start searching for restaurants nearby. Look at the ceiling in here. I mean, just the gazebo is amazing. Tongue and groove wood. Beautiful. I didn't even come to see this side of the temple. Wow. Incredible. Yeah.
Up there.
Mm-hmm.
อันนี้ลูกอะไรมีพญานาคเป็นนี้
Yeah.
พญานาคใช่ไหม They have fish, big fish, no?
Yeah. Incredible. It's Garfield. Yeah, I can't believe how modern the toilets are here. Shower and everything. Gosh, if you ever wondered what minimalistic living was for the resident monks, right? Place like this, yeah. Well, they got some nice restrooms and showers. A beautiful view.
Really big land, how the people come from.
Yeah, a lot of land.
Cleaning.
I'm gonna take the stairs. Incredible. Breeze up here is amazing. Mountain air. I just thought that was so cool.
อธิษฐานดี
Trying to make it in the
ๆ
cup.
ใช่ทำ in the pot นี่แหละเดี๋ยว
Oh, a little long. Come on, baby, you can do it. Oh, a little short. That's all right.
Okay.
Well, like I said, guys, usually Yin finds a remote temple or some kind of a famous special temple that she wants to go see, and then I'll look in the area for a restaurant, and I think I found a good one here, guys. The Blue Maple. Check it out. Really cool. Love it. I mean, how many restaurants do you see in your country? They're just all decked out like this. I mean, it's just common in Thailand. Really, really common. A lot of these restaurants are just, they go the extra mile with their properties. You have koi ponds, ducks, beautiful evergreen trees. Wow, cool place, guys. Well, yeah, it's more than just a dining experience in Thailand. Are you feeling me? Wow, that was fast, huh? That's your garlic bread, not for me. Yeah, you got big old Caesar salad, huh? Wow.
Salmon.
Spaghetti and salmon steak? Wow.
Salmon yang.
And I got my green curry with shrimp.
ใช่
And I think spinach with cheese. Wow. Looks great.